Hello friends, welcome back to our continuous learning. How are you doing today? I am good and I hope you are great. In today's session, we are going to learn how to prepare and crack an interview. Cracking an interview is not an easy task. Without a good preparation, you can't crack an interview. You have to be well prepared before appearing to an interview. There are three major factors required to crack an interview. First is problem solving skill, number second is technical knowledge, and number third is communication skills. What is problem solving skill? There could be different ways to solve a problem, isn't it? A problem solving skill is a way to find a solution to solve a problem. Problem solving skill is a skill. It can be improved by involving or engaging yourself in different problems and trying to solve them. In simple words, problem solving skill क्या है? In simple words, problem solving is a skill. It can be improved. किसी भी प्रॉब्लम को कैसे सॉल्व करना है, to find a way to solve a problem. If you don't have problem solving skills, then don't worry, because problem solving is a skill and it can be improved. You have to be engaged or involved in different problems and you have to find solutions for them. Second, technical knowledge. To solve a technical problem, technical knowledge is must. To solve a problem, you must be aware about technical knowledge. What is data structure? What is data types? What is algorithms? What is a system? How to build a scalable system? How to design a system? What are different type of databases? What is deployment process? Developing an entire product, software product, is part of a technical expertise or technical knowledge. Without technical knowledge, you can't solve a problem. So for that, you must be aware about technical knowledge. Communication skills. What do you mean by communication skills? Communication skills does not means English speaking. How fluently you speak in English. No. Communication skill is a way to transfer your thoughts to the another person. What is the way of transferring your thoughts to other person? आपका एक्सप्लेन करने का क्या तरीका है जो कि सामने वाले को समझ में आ जाए? आप किसी चीज़ को उसको सीधे सीधे समझा रहे हो कि आपको यहाँ जाना है, या आप उस चीज़ को घुमा के बता रहे हो कि आपको यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, उसके बाद यहाँ आना है. So communication skill plays an important role to crack an interview. When interviewer is asking for something or a problem, how you are communicating or explaining to the interviewer is play an important role. How you are explaining the interviewer is very, very important. Let's understand the problem solving skill with an example. Suppose a problem is given to you. Find a largest number from an array. इस प्रॉब्लम को हम एक एग्जाम्पल के साथ समझते हैं. यूजिंग एल्गोरिदम. To solve a problem, first we have to understand the problem. Then we have to break down the problem into smaller tasks. Then we have to execute the steps. To solve any problem, first we should understand the problem. What is the problem? And then we should break down the problem into smaller tasks or steps. And then we should execute each and every steps. The execution of sequentially all the steps is called an algorithm. So let's solve this problem. Find the largest number from an array. एक array में से हमें सबसे बड़ा नंबर है उसको हमें फाइंड करना है. तो उसको हमें सबसे पहले हमें सोचना पड़ेगा कि उसको कैसे सोल्व करना है. राइट. इन फर्स्ट स्टेप we have to write a function. In second step we have to run a for loop to traverse each and every element of the array. Number third, we have to put a condition to check each and every element of the array from the first element of the array. Number fourth, we have to return the max number. नंबर फोर्थ में हमें क्या करना है, उसको रिटर्न करना है. These steps are called algorithm because step by step here we are executing the program to solve the problem. I have written a Python code to solve this problem. A function which accept the array as an argument, then we put the first element of array into a variable maxnum, then we run a loop, for loop, then we put a condition. If num is greater than maxnum, then we have put the num into maxnum, and then we return the maxnum. The steps we written earlier as a algorithm we executed by writing a program, and we solve the problem. This is just an example. To solve any problem, you have to follow the similar instructions. You have to understand the problem. You have to break down the problem into smaller steps, and then you have to execute the steps. Before writing a code, you have to first write down all the steps, how you are going to achieve that. And after that, write a code by following the same steps. If you have any confusion related to the problem, you can ask questions to the interviewer. Number second is technical knowledge. When I am talking about the technical knowledge, technical knowledge means you must aware about the data structure, the concept of data structure. Data structure is a way to organize and store data in format of array, linked list, stack, and queues. What is array? What is linked list? What is stack? And what is queue? These all are used to store or organize the data. So you must be aware about the concept of data structure. Number second is algorithms. A algorithm is a step-by-step procedure or instructions to solve a problem. Then concept of OOPS. You must be clear with the concept of OOPS. What is classes? What is class? What is object? What is inheritance? What is polymorphism? Because all the programming languages are based on these concepts. These are base for all languages. If your OOPS concept are clear, then you can learn any language easily. Then system design principles. What is system design? Scalability. How many users your product can handle? It is called scalability. Reliability. Whether your product is working without errors or not. If your product is working without errors, that means your product is reliable. That is called reliability. Performance. Performance means speed. Your product or software must be fast. So before appearing an interview, you must be clear about these technical skills. These technical skills are required to crack an interview. but you must be clear at least the basics of these concepts. Number third is communication skills. Most of the people think speaking in English is a communication skill. We can say it's a part of communication skill, but we can't say speaking fluently in English is only the communication skill. It's not like that. Communication skill is a way to communicating or transferring your thoughts to the other person, whether it's interviewer, your friend, anyone. It can be anyone. The person you are talking, what is your way to communicating your thoughts or to that person so that he or she can easily understand what you want to say. This is exactly the communication skills. अगर कोई बंदा हिंदी में भी एक्सप्लेन कर रहा है चीज़ों को सही से, that means he has a good communication skill. It doesn't matter whether you are speaking in English or Hindi, but what is your way to communicating your thoughts, transferring your thoughts to other person. For the communication skill, these four things are very important. Speaking clear and confidently. Number second, use examples and stories to explain your point. Number third, ask questions to clarify what the interviewer is looking for. And number fourth, practice active listening and respond thoughtfully. These are four principles of communication skills. How easily you are able to explain your thoughts someone is a communication skill. Before you appear any interview, you must practice mock interviews with your peers, or you must provide the feedback to each other. This is the good way to prepare for an interview. इंटरव्यू देने से पहले आपको पता चल जाएगा where you are lacking, what you have to improve. So mock interviews are play an important role to crack an interview. Before appearing in a real interviews, you must practice mock interviews with your friend, colleagues, or your mentor. Problem solving skill, technical knowledge, and communication skills. These three things play an important role to crack an interview. Before appearing an interview, you must be well prepared with these three things. If I wish good luck for your bright future. If you really like it, please share it with your friends, colleagues. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it.